Is it peaceful? Is it free like they say? Does the sun shine bright forever? Has your pain and your fear gone away? 'Cause here on earth it feels like everything good is missing since you left. And here on earth everything's different. There's an emptiness. Oh, I hope you're dancing in the sky, and I hope you're singing in the angels' choir. And I hope the angels just know what they have. I've been so nice in heaven since you arrived. So tell me, what do you do up in heaven? Is it peaceful? Is it free like they say? Is the music? Is the art an invention? Tell me, are you happy? Are you more alive? 'Cause here on earth it feels like everything good is missing since you left. And here on earth everything's different. There's an emptiness. Oh, I hope you're dancing in the sky, and I hope you're singing in the angels' choir. And I hope the angels just know what they have. I've been so nice in heaven since you arrived. Since you arrived. I hope you're dancing in the sky, and I hope you're singing in the angels' choir. And I hope the angels just know what they have. I've been so nice in heaven since you arrived. Since you arrived.
I love that song, and I've literally got shivers. Like, when you said to the iPod, I could feel it at my arms. I was like, oh, that was amazing. You will be really proud. That was brilliant. Well done, babe. Zoe.
First of all, I want to say you look the part, because you do. You look absolutely amazing. Like your makeup, your outfit, it all added to the performance, and you were oozing with passion. Then wasn't she? Like, she was oozing with passion. Like, everything you sang, you can just tell. Like, you meant it. It was really emotional, and the cracks in your voice again, like last, I love them. Like, I think it's because your emotion, or I don't know, but they are beautiful. And I love the little melody changes as well that you did to suit your voice as well. They were brilliant. Well done.
Thanks, Zoe. Emily?
Yeah, I never really walked much because I was just like kind of trying to walk to you. I was like, That was an amazing performance. I loved the little break in your voice, and that performance was completely vulnerable. Like, I had chills on my arm. But I watched your online video, and you've come on massive amounts since then. So I don't know what you're going to be like in a couple of weeks' time when you work with Joey, but that was amazing. Yeah, your image is... I like the way that you're building your image to like what you were like, and the way that you built that song up there, and that was amazing. I really loved that. Well done.
Thank you. Thanks, Joey.
Tash, it really was impressive, really impressive. And like I said, everyone's on different journeys. I've got to see you before a few times, and I've seen you very, very different as a vocalist to what you're doing now for us this season. And again, you've done it again. Like last week for your audition, you did Dancing on My Own, which is a song, like I said, which is repetitive, and you got to do something really something unique with that to make it stand out, and you nailed it. And then this song, this is a very repetitive song, and you've nailed it again. So what you're doing, you're taking songs that make me bored, and you are making them sound like I want to listen to them. And that is a massive achievement, because there's songs that I don't want to listen to, and I want to listen to them because of you. So, no, literally, you're bringing something really fresh to them, Tasha. And do you know what? If Kelly was you right now, I know Kelly would have been in awe of that, because even Kelly's been blown away from your audition work this season. And there was us thinking, is she going to really come out of the shell? Is she going to do it all that time? And you're finally here. Honestly, I said it to you last week, and I'll say it again. You put yourself in another league. I do have one critique, because I want you to keep still pick up. I don't want to just throw you all these lovely comments. I still want you to pick up things. And all I want to do is just be careful of how much you change the song, because you might throw yourself off a little bit much. Don't feel like you've got to change everything, just here and there, all right? That's the only thing I can say, because it'll keep you a bit more relaxed in the performance and not like, we're going for it, right? So don't feel like everything got to be changed. Just do your own little thing with it, but just take your time with it. Other than that, that was incredible, honestly. So raw, so different, so unique. Fresh, current, your look, everything about that was perfect. People come round, you smashed it. Well done.